So the handholding that investors need, and I call it very, in a different way, that the role of distributor today. We are in the industry of managing emotions. We are not managing assets. A lot of distributors, they believe we are managing 200 crore, 500 crore. I say you are managing emotions. You don't manage assets. You guide the investor. Today, that's something no AI, no tech, no digital platform can replace. Distributor role will always be paramount when it comes to giving that final nudge. And believe you me, in last 6 months, there are a lot of investors on platform like Grow. They send a lot of messages or mail to Grow customer care. They need someone to advise. But we can't. Grow can't. They can't go and tell investor that you need to do this. Now, imagine how there are a lot of people out there, they are looking for someone like you. But they'll not come to you if you don't change. And that's very interesting extension of what I'm trying to say. A lot of investors have come on the platform and they have seen ease of transaction. They like to be in control of things. They want to have better convenience. And that's where people who have, especially young generation, they need to really adopt technology. They need to give that convenience. They need to give that control of investing. And interesting data I was reading, in US, number of investors who trade or invest on app in the age bracket of 18 to 34. Any guess what would be percentage?
Close to 18%. 7%.
It's 80%. Who invest on app? 80%. Number of investors in same age bracket. Before investing, they do a lot of research on YouTube or social media. What would be percentage? It's 60%. 80% of people in US between age bracket of 18 to 34, they invest on app. It's not direct, they invest on app, which means they want simplicity. And this data I'm talking about almost 1.5 years back. This could be even more today. They do a lot of research on YouTube, on Google, before they take a decision, whether it's buying a TV or investing in a fund or buying a normal phone. So they are now have access to a lot of information. What they don't have is that final emotional support that you can give when someone has invested X amount on platform and they don't know what to do. You tell him, Manish, don't worry, market अच्छा है, मेरी बात हुई है, हम फंड मैनेजर से बात कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ ठीक है, आपको पैसा और डिप्लॉय करना चाहिए rather than redeeming money. If you give that final small nudge, that's where the impact comes in, and that no AI can replace. So again, just to conclude, while many of you have this in your mind, direct is the biggest opportunity for MFD, but for people who really change their way of doing things.
Thank you, sir.